This is the 4-in-1 milk frother by RATRSO, and it's really cool. This is the gray version. They have different colors, but look how cool this design looks. And if you're not familiar with milk frothers, this is how they work. They've got a little spinning kind of device at the bottom of this here. This is a double-walled insulated receptacle, basically, and you can put up to 8 ounces of milk. And right now, I put it back on its, and it's plugged in, of course, on its little base. And I will add some milk, just like that. I've got cool milk. You can keep it cold, or you can actually have it froth and heat as well. You can also say, you know what, I don't even want to froth it. I'm just going to keep it heating up, and it can heat up your milk within seconds. So right now, we're going to keep it cool. It's got a nice little seal as well, which is nice. We're going to keep it cool, and all I need to do is put it on that snowflake, that blue snowflake right there. You just wait a few seconds. It's going to start, and look at that thing go. It's frothing the milk as it's spinning really, really quickly. And it'll stop automatically once the milk is frothed. Just automatically stop, roughly about 45 seconds, and look at that froth. Wow. Just like the pros. And look at that, I can even just pick it up like that. Look at that froth, beautiful. So you can actually make you can be your very own barista at home with this fantastic little milk frother by RATRSO.